In figure, OB is the perpendicular bisector of line segment DE. What does that mean? Let's look at where is OB. This is our OB and DE is this. So this particular line is bisecting DE. That is, it is cutting the line into two equal half. This length is equal to this length. If this is x, this is also x. And this is 90 degree. That is your perpendicular line. Is it not? Okay. Then we have AF is perpendicular to OB. And FE intersects OB at point C. That is, these two are vertically opposite angles. Whenever they talk about intersection of lines, it means what? We have two straight lines joining at C. This is what they give us indirectly. So let's start off the answer. It's a proof question. Prove that this particular thing. So let's write the given. So what do we have? We have OB is perpendicular to DE and OB bisects DE. What does it mean? If OB bisects DE, this means that DB is equal to BE. Right, guys? So that's what we can infer. And what do we have? This is given. What else? We also have AF is perpendicular to OB and also FE and OB intersect at C. Right? So these are all the things that is given. Then we have to prove. What is that we have to prove? This is kind of weird. 1 by OA plus 1 by OB is equal to 2 by OC. 1 by OA is this. Let me explain this to you guys. 1 by OA is this length and OB is this length and OC is this length. Three weird lengths, is it not? I mean, it's not that simple, you know. OA is over here, OB is over here, and OC is over here. So these are three different lengths. It's kind of weird, right? It's not that easy. That I agree. So that's why I call it as level 3 plus. It's a good question, but it's not that difficult. When we, okay, after the explanation, it's not that difficult. Now it is difficult. You guys want to try, you can try it. So let me start off by giving you guys clues. In triangle OAF and triangle OBD. Okay, why is that? I'm considering these two triangles. Because they are similar. How is that I'm able to prove this? OAF is equal to angle OBD. Why? Because both are equal to 90 degree. And we have angle O is common. So with this I can tell, therefore triangle OAF is similar to triangle OBD by AA similarity criteria. Agree? Right? With this we can tell the ratio OA by OB. This is what we want, is equal to, I want this to be part of the answer because this has to do something with the answer, you know, BD. So I'm going to write AF by BD, which is equal to AF by X. Where X is nothing but equal to BD. Okay guys, we'll just mention that. Now, which other triangle we have to consider? The triangle which we have to consider is this, and the other one being this. Okay guys, so these two are the triangles. So how are they similar? Well, it's in front of you guys. AFC, right? Triangle, let's consider. Triangle AFC, and okay, this is going to be a bit back and forth, so I'm going to copy this off. I'm going to paste it. And let's continue. Okay, so we have AFC, triangle AFC, and triangle CBE. So what is that we're looking at? Angle ACF is equal to angle ECB. These are vertically opposite angles. Then angle CAF is equal to angle CBE, which in turn is equal to 90 degree. Therefore, triangle AFC is similar to triangle AFC, right? BEC. BEC. This is again by AA similarity criteria. Here too, we'll just write the relationship between this length and AF and BE. So we have AC by CB is equal to AF by BE, which in turn is AF by X itself, right? B is equal to BD, and so this also will be X. So now look at this. We have this and this. They are one and the same, is it not? So if I call this as equation 1 and I call this as equation 2. So what, from 1 and 2 what can we conclude? Therefore, from 1 and 2 we have OA by OB is equal to AC by CB. Now figure out the answer. Till now I just wrote the things which was obvious. I hope you guys agree with me regarding this. It's to do with similarity, and now is where you guys have to make use of your skills. Think about it. How can we get this particular expression from this? I hope you guys are able to think that, think how to get it. OA and OB is already there, right? Over here. So it will not touch this. It will touch AC and CB. So regarding AC, what do we have? AC is nothing but OC minus OA. So this is also equal to OC minus OA. And this thing divided by CB is OB minus OC. OB minus OC. This is good. And now I don't need this diagram. Moving on. So what do we have? Cross multiplication between OA and this expression. So OA OB minus OC, close the brackets, is equal to OB OC minus OA. And then we have OA OB minus OA OC is equal to OB OC minus OA OB. Okay guys, we can put a dot also actually. Not an issue. It's convenient, right? Yeah. And now just rearrange and you'll get the answer. So I'll transpose all the positive. Making this as positive. Wait, I think I made a mistake. I got 2 times of OB. No, that's correct. OB OC plus OA C. Okay, and now these two are like terms, so this is 2 times of OA OB. We want 2 times of, that's good, that's good. 2 times of OA OB is equal to OB OC. Here OC is common, right? All we have to do is now what? Yes, cross multiply. 2 divided by OC, not exactly cross multiply, but yeah, OC will transpose this side. OB by OA OB plus OA by OA OB. Again, what did we do? All I did was, I'll explain it for people who found this to be difficult. Let me explain. See, quite simple. We have OA over here. I transpose it. We have OA OB over here. I transpose it to the right hand side. But since there are 2 terms over here, post transposing, there are 2 terms. I have to divide individually, and that's what I did. Okay, I hope you guys understood this. And now OB gets cancelled, OA gets cancelled, and we have 2 by OC is equal to 1 by OA plus 1 by OB. Hence root. Right, guys? So I hope you guys agree with me. I know you might not, but writing the first 3/4 of the answer, that these 2 set of triangles are similar, these 2 set of triangles are similar, is kind of obvious. See, they're kind of giving you guys all of the hint by telling about perpendicular bisector and this being 2 lines crossing each other, right? And you can clearly see they are similar, right? So how can I convince you guys? It's simple, guys. Of course, I agree this part is not easy. Even I took some time to figure it out. I had to sit with it for some time, and only then I was able to figure it out. Okay, if not, writing this as X and all, that is something that I keep advising. If they're talking about bisection, means what? These 2 lengths are same, so making it X and X. So here substituting it and equating it, it's not a big difficulty. And then it was about relating AC and CV to OC, because we want in terms of OA and OC, and that was something that I had to think about for a minute or 2 looking at the diagram. And after that was simple transposition and all of that. You guys saw that this is something I have not done it before. I just happened to write it and things happen by itself, right? So yes, this is a bit of difficulty. Which part? This part. If not, everything else is till here is something that we've been doing in this chapter. And after that, here it is about looking at the diagram and rewriting it, right? So this is a bit of difficulty. I'll put a star over there, and after that it's simple simplification. Okay, rearranging and all of that. That's it. So you can pause. This is a difficult question. One of the difficult questions.